What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. One of my recent videos I saw how terrible my flower bed looks with all the weeds filling it up, and about a week ago my family and I pulled all the weeds, raked it up, and got it all looking fresh again. My daughter really enjoyed helping us and loves being outside. This is how it looks now, and it looks much better than before. Today we are working our way to the driveway to pull some more weeds, and I have my lovely little helper with me again. I'm going to let the video play out so you don't have to hear me the whole time. Enjoy. What you got? What'd you get? What did you find? Show. I don't think that's broccoli, babe.
Huh?
No. What do you see?
Come here.
Where are you going?
He's soft. Soft.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi.
Look at you. Good job, babe. You're such a good helper. You got it. It's for you. I got it for you, babe. You want me to wear them? Is there bugs? Is there a bug on your shoe? I don't see a bug. You're okay. It's okay. What do you see? Is there a bug on your shoe? Where? Is it inside? Oh, right there? There, all gone. Oh wow, there's a lot, huh? You're gonna go night-night? You need me to go night-night with you? What do you see? Go, ah. It's so bright, huh? What's that one? Yeah. Alright, so that is going to do it for this video. We didn't get to finish the whole driveway, but we got the main part that needed some love. And if you would like to see us do the rest, please leave a comment down below and let us know. Thank you for watching, God bless, and peace!